Okay, guys, I told you I'd show you my mess. This is all the trash. Okay, not that one underneath there, because that's that cabinet that I've yet to put together, and it's, been rained on. But all those boxes came from in this hallway. I know, I told you it's bad. This is the basement, the hoarding thing. This cabinet is a thing that I drug in yesterday. Like to killed me. It's 2 pieces and heavy, heavy as can be. Oh my God. So yeah, that's going to be my next burn pile. And then I thought I would show you, I know, look at the weeds, or don't look at the weeds, I should say. It just finished raining again. But I know I haven't assembled those either. There's another, the other cabinet I got to make room for. And I got to move those over to the shop. That's what the original was inside Dolly, and I don't know if anybody would want them down the road or whatever. That's the other shed I got to put together. It was too hot, and then it's done nothing but rain. But this is the beast that they delivered. Yep. So, this is what's supposed to go. I'm supposed to pull on the back of the 4x4. Who is as big as the 4x4? It is a monster. So, after this heat wave is done and the rain's done, I got to take the wood off, get the instructions, which is over there, and read how to attach and use. I know, it's bad. Oh my God. Too much. I don't see my cracks. That's my beautiful cracks I paid for. I know, not even funny. Golly. All right, and let's see. And then I'll come in and show you the bathroom where I've moved some stuff around. Okay, I'm just going to show y'all. This is my other mess in the basement. I know, it's bad. I told you it's bad. All of these big stacking containers and those big stacking containers, this is papers and junk, was all in John's office. But after we had to make room for him, we had to pull all the bins and trays and stuff out of his office to put all the beds in. I know, I'm turning lights on now. Where's that? So all those beds were upstairs. So my kids moved them all down here, and this is where it stayed. It's been, double layers of beds from the guest rooms. It's been here 3 years, well, 3.5. This is the bathroom that I gutted. That's some of the other trash that's out there. So I got that shelf in there. Let me tell you, it was rough. I had to lift up some of the ceiling, but oh my God. I know, and then I knocked down all the birdhouses half the time. It drove me crazy. But apparently, these are kits. These are kits. And I think I might have a little bit too much sewing things. But these are double layer. Ow, ow, ow. I'm so sore. My everything's hurting. That we need to start just making and see what the heck. This is crap I got to go through. And, because I started putting them into what they were. And, well, you know how that goes. So, oh my God. So when I tell you, I know here's that shelf there. So when I tell you my basement is full of crap, it is. It is craft crap. There's a TV way over there, but it doesn't work because power outage took it out years ago, and I can't get to it because there's so much crap in front of it. But I wanted to let you see that I really have been working. And then like these 3 bins needs to be brought down to just one because only this is mine. These 2 big bins were things from when I did the spay and neuter stuff. I need to contact the people who are doing the spay and neuter, see if they want it, and give it to them so I can put material and stuff in my bins. So, I know. All right, well, I know, don't faint. I'm sorry. I'm not even going to show you any more of it because it goes It's bad. So anyway, so like I said, ow, ow, I am sore. It's not even funny. So I've got to try, I think right there, I need to clean all that crap out. There's 2 chairs there. If I stack them on top of each other, and I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but I can move that other, maybe that one would be easier because there's a table in front of it with not as much crap on behind there, and then I can bring that shelf in here, and then anyway, oh my God, I know I have so much to do. It's not even funny. That's where I craft, and that pile of crap. When I tell you there's stuff everywhere, I tell you. All right, so now I'm done embarrassing myself. So, I mean, it wasn't to say, "Ooh, look at all the stuff I have." It's like, oh, look how bad it is. Oh my God. So, all right. Well, let me go. And I still have 2 dogs outside, and it's just hot. Like I said, it just finished raining, and it's, you know, it's like 85 out there, but the real feel is 92. And that's because it rained for just a little bit with the sun out to make it hot because of the humidity. But we've got back to back to back to back to back days, and then a flood warning this afternoon. It's crazy. So, all right, I leave you with my crap, and I will show you the next time progress that I've done down here. So anyway, I know, and then I still have upstairs in my craft room. But anyway. Oh my God. All right, so I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.